Paul here from EMD again. Just want to show you before I start. Look at that. This thing here is all, that part of the extra selectors come off already. Not sure how that is happening, but if you look closely, I'll show you what they've done. Someone's put all this modification here before, just for that to sit on. I don't know why they done that. So, and the whole thing was all bent, so trying to make it straight again. I'm not sure, but anyway, so now that's why we're taking this off. It's all, I'll try to actually spin it back, but the whole thing is already, look at that, just moving around by itself. This gearbox was broken inside as well, so selector was broken and some of the gears was broken, so that was the gearbox rebuilt already. But here's the new part for it. So we're gonna take that one off and we're gonna fit this new one. So this is actually part one of taking this, so we're taking this off first before we start.